Okay, Algebra 2. This is a combination lesson. We're going to be combining from the book sections 6, 7, and 8. Um, we're covering the main ideas from all of them. We're skipping out on some of these smaller uh, little things that pop up and turn it from trying to work on each of these things separately. I want to show you the big picture all at once. Uh, with this lesson, our goal is the thing that we want to be able to do at the end of the lesson is to take any polynomial and to find all of the roots. So we're going to try to find all the roots, and you can see here we got a fourth degree polynomial. If this was factorable, we could factor it, but other than that, there's no way to know what the roots are unless you just plug it in your calculator and then get decimal approximations, which sometimes is a fine way of doing it. But you don't always have the calculator available to do that for you, and sometimes you want exact values, which your calculator can't always do. So, between those three lessons, I have pulled out the most important parts. Uh, I'm going to teach them to you in the same order that they have in the book, but then I'm going to rearrange them for how we actually use them to solve this problem at the end. So we're kind of going to build up on some ideas here. And we're just going to go down through this checklist. And you'll see in the beginning of each video where we're at in this checklist and what we've covered so far so you can uh, keep track of things and be able to refer back to any particular part of the video that you may want. Okay, so some of these things we combine them together to come to a really neat conclusion or tool for what we want. Uh, some of them we use them directly as they are designed, and that helps us try to find the solutions to this polynomial. Because one of the problems that this has is it really could be any number at this point, right? And we could guess and check all of them, but that might not be the best way of doing it. So the big thing here is we are going to um, streamlining the stuff from your book just to make sure that we get the core elements of what you want out of this lesson. All right, that's the end of the intro to this set of series. First up, we're going to talk about the remainder theorem and synthetic substitution.